Acura infotainment systems are advanced, but they can sometimes encounter issues like frozen screens, unresponsiveness, or software glitches. The most common problems include frozen touchscreens, system unresponsiveness, software glitches, and connectivity issues. When you encounter these issues, start with basic troubleshooting steps. The first step is to try rebooting the system. Hold down the power button for a few seconds to restart the infotainment system. This simple reboot resolves many common infotainment issues. Important note for 2025 Acura MDX owners, certain models have been recalled due to touchscreen issues that cause blank displays, potentially requiring full unit replacement. If basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your issues, it's time to contact a professional. Contact your Acura dealer when basic reboots don't work, you have persistent software glitches, hardware-related issues, or recall-related problems. Professional technicians have specialized tools and knowledge to resolve complex infotainment system issues. Remember, while basic troubleshooting can resolve many issues, professional assistance ensures your infotainment system receives proper diagnosis and repair when needed. When your Acura infotainment system experiences persistent issues, a factory reset may be necessary. This process will restore your system to its original settings. Here's what a typical factory reset screen looks like on mobile devices. The process is similar on your Acura system, though the interface may look different. Before proceeding with a factory reset, it's crucial to understand what data will be lost and how to prepare. A factory reset will erase all personal data from your infotainment system. This includes saved radio stations, Bluetooth pairings, navigation favorites, and any customized settings. One specific issue that factory reset can resolve is the power mode off loop that some users experience during system updates. Some users report getting stuck in a power mode off loop when trying to complete system updates. This frustrating issue prevents the system from functioning normally. Now let's discuss how to prevent future infotainment system issues through proper maintenance and care. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are key strategies to keep your Acura infotainment system running smoothly and avoid the need for factory resets. Connection stability is crucial for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality. Unstable connections can cause system crashes and require resets. Many infotainment issues stem from poor smartphone connectivity. Here's how to ensure stable Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connections. By following these prevention strategies and knowing how to perform a factory reset when needed, you can maintain optimal performance of your Acura infotainment system and minimize disruptions to your driving experience.